you should start small and you should learn your craft before you take on bigger projects. And the other advice I often give also is that you should perhaps stay small. And there's a lot of benefits in doing it this way. Once you master a full year where things go the way you planned and organized for, then I think you can imagine producing more and opening new fields or whatever. I explain to people how to set up, how to use intensive growing systems, how to use hand tools, how to just have good economics. I love the fact that we are changing the world one farm at a time. That really fulfills my need to be invested in something bigger than me and bigger than my farm. And I think that when I come to EcoFarm, that's what I get. I see how I'm connected to this whole network of awesome people that are doing awesome things. What I like the most about it is how nice it is to be here for the farmers, and I think we deserve that. It's like a vacation. Come to EcoFarm, woo! And fast and quick and now. Book your tickets right now for next year.